it's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. I thought this injury was gonna keep me down and out for making videos for y'all, but that's not the case because I'm back with another one. I had to jump on this Tabitha Brown grocery collection and give y'all my thoughts. Here we go. Let me tell you a little bit about what I bought. I got the popcorn in the roasted garlic and Parmesan flavor. I got potato salad. I got vegan caramelized onion cream cheese spread. And then I was intrigued by this vegan peppered lemon flavored pickled okra. So let's get into it. Okay, I think I want to try the potato salad first. So here we go. Packaging is cute. Okay, first impressions, it smells cookout ready, so let's see. Okay, I want you guys to see the texture of what's going on here. It's kind of chunky. Looks like there's big, I can't tell if this is celery or if these are pieces of pickles. I think it's celery. Wow, y'all. I'm surprised that I like it just because, you know, store-bought potato salad makes you always feel some type of way, but this is definitely giving like somebody's auntie for sure. I know I love potato salad with pico de gallo seasoning, so I'm probably gonna add some of that. But okay, this is off to a good start. So let's see. It kind of smells like real cream cheese. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, I am optimistic. Okay. I don't know if I'm really getting the caramelized onion flavor out of this, but it is very creamy. Very creamy. This is gonna spread good on some bread. All right. Very good, Tabitha. All right, this is the one that I'm most intrigued about. So let's get into this pickled okra. You already know my favorite way to eat okra. If you didn't see that video, make sure you watch it. Is to just go ahead and wash it and put some kosher salt on it. So I'm nervous, y'all. I'm scared of this one. Okay. Know what to say about the way that the brine smells. I mean, it smells pickled. All right, it is lemon pepper flavor. Okay, I don't know why I picked this as something I was gonna sample. This is kind of hard to give a review on because if you don't like okra, you're probably still not gonna like this, but it's better than I thought. I'm not a huge fan of actual pickles, but it tastes like a pickle. If the reason you don't like okra is because of the slime factor, you don't have it with this, the pickled version. So I think you guys should try it. If you are a panini sandwich, toasted bread kind of person, this will taste good with it. All right, last but not least, this popcorn, y'all. All right, I'm really excited about this popcorn because it's supposed to be vegan, obviously, but it's Parmesan flavored. Also, I love the packaging on this one. My favorite color is purple, and this one just really did it for me, so that's probably partly why I purchased it. Smells good. Now, it's been a really long time since I've had cheese popcorn, so I'm trying to see if that's what it smells like. It just smells well seasoned. Oh yeah, your breath is gonna be hot after this. But this is a good snack. I don't know if I'm ready to close this back up yet. All right, y'all, it's time to see if it has that Sister Girl Tuesday pop. Okay, presentation. Like, it all looks like what it's supposed to be. So presentation and plating, yes. Optics, we'll use this to describe the packaging. I mean, it's Tabitha Brown, so you already know it was gonna be bright, colorful, fun, and it definitely did not disappoint. And then we're gonna go for, what's the last P? Price and punch. So I don't have my phone with me right now to tell you the exact prices of the items, but I'll be sure to put in the description box below. I feel like everything was well priced. I wasn't mad about what I paid for it, from what I can remember. And then when it comes to that punch, I'm pleased with everything that I tried. You know, I was pleasantly surprised by a few of the items. And if I had to say what my favorite thing was, I really like the popcorn. I really, really like the popcorn. Y'all, I think it gets the Sister Girl Tuesday pop. So it's poppin'. Be sure to check it out at your local Target. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And if there's anything else you want me to try from Tabitha's line, also connect with me in the comment section. And you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time.